Good morning, children. So today we are going to discuss from question number 8, exercise 4.3. So here they have given the relation of between an equation between Fahrenheit and Celsius. So it is given, the equation is given. Just to take your book as you see question number 8. So it is given that in countries like USA and Canada, that is the cold countries, temperature is measured in Fahrenheit. Whereas in countries like India, so the temperature is measured in Celsius. So here they have given the relation between the Fahrenheit and the Celsius. So that is to convert from Fahrenheit to Celsius with scale. So this is the required formula, but they have given it in the form of an equation. So the first one equation is relating to the graphs. So the graph part I will just keep it to you. I will be doing the remaining part. So you take question number 2. If the temperature is 30 degrees Celsius, what is the temperature in Fahrenheit? So here they have given in Celsius, 30 degrees Celsius. So you are to convert this 30 degrees Celsius in means Fahrenheit scale. Fahrenheit, that is F. C denotes Celsius, F denotes Fahrenheit. So this is given in the question. So now the question 2 is they have given the temperature in 30 degrees Celsius. So they have given in Celsius. What is the temperature in Fahrenheit? So let us take solution 2. Solution 2. So here the equation is, so it is given 30 degree Celsius. So that means, it means that Celsius equals to 30 degrees. Celsius means how much? It is 30 degrees Celsius. So C denotes Celsius. Now this is the given equation. So it is 9 by 5. So F equals to 9 by 5 C plus 32 equals to 9 by 5 into C. So it is 30 degrees Celsius. So 30 degrees Celsius means Celsius is how much? C, 30 degree. So it is 30 plus 32. 32. So 5 6 are. So it is 9 6 are 54 plus 32. You have got 86 degree. So that means what? Fahrenheit you have got, that means 86 degree. So that means, therefore I can say 30 degrees Celsius, 30 degree Celsius equals to 86 degree Fahrenheit, because your Fahrenheit is 86 degree. So the temperature that is 30 degrees Celsius, that will be equivalent to 86 degree Fahrenheit. So 86 degree Fahrenheit, this is the value of F. So 86 degree Fahrenheit, this is number 2. Now coming to 3. If the temperature is 95 degree Fahrenheit, so now they have given in Fahrenheit scale, what is the temperature in Celsius? So here 95 degree Fahrenheit, 95 degree Fahrenheit, which means Fahrenheit is equals to 95 degree. So it is 95, Fahrenheit is 95 degree. Now you take the equation, F equals to 9 by 5 C plus 32. So here Fahrenheit is how much? 95 degree Fahrenheit. Fahrenheit is 95. So in place of F, Fahrenheit, so you take 95. So 9 by 5 C plus 32. Take this number to the left side. So you will get 95 minus 32 is equal to 9 by 5 C. So you have got here, so it will be 3, it will be 6 equals to 9 by 5 C. So the next step, just to cross multiply this one, 63 into 5. So it will be 63 into 5 equals to 9C. So it is 9C. 63 into 5 equals to 9C. So here C is, so This gives, so how much is C? So C equals to 63 into 5 divided by 9. So 9 sevens. So you got 35 degree. That means we can say that 35 degrees Celsius equals to 95 degree. So therefore 95 degree Fahrenheit equals to 35 degree Celsius, because they have given in Fahrenheit. So 95 degree Fahrenheit equals to the temperature in Celsius. So it is 35 degree Celsius. Now the next one, here is given question number 4. If the temperature is 0 degree Celsius, what is the temperature in Fahrenheit? And if the temperature is 0 degree Fahrenheit, what is the temperature in Celsius? So here, once they have given, first part they have given in Celsius, you are to find out in Fahrenheit. Second part they have given in Fahrenheit, you are to find out in Celsius. So here, solution. First part, that is 0 degree Celsius. First part. So here, now that means, this means it is Celsius equals to 0 degree. Celsius means 0 degree. It means, so F equals to 9 by 5 C plus 32. That is the given equation. So here F equals to 9 by 5 into C. So here C is 0 plus 32. So this implies F equals to, so 0 multiplied by any number, you will get 0. So 0 into 9 by 5, 0 plus 32. So you have got 32 degree. So that means 0 degree Celsius, 0 degree Celsius equals to 32 degree Fahrenheit. So the Fahrenheit is 32 degree. So it will be 32 degree Fahrenheit. Then second part. Second part, and if the temperature is 0 degree Fahrenheit, what is the temperature in Celsius? Now they have given in Fahrenheit, you are to convert it in Celsius. So 0 degree Fahrenheit, which means F equals to 0 degree Fahrenheit. Now you take the equation, F equals to 9 by 5 C plus 32. How much is Fahrenheit? Fahrenheit is 0 degree. So in place of Fahrenheit, F is the Fahrenheit. Fahrenheit is 0. So you put 0 is equal to 9C divided by 5 plus 32. Now you bring this one this side. So 0 minus 32 is equal to 9C divided by 5. So this gives minus 32. Now you just cross multiply into 5. So you got minus 32 into 5 equals to 9C. So here C equals to minus 32 into 5 divided by 9. 9 into C, 9C. So now you got is equal to minus 160 divided by 9 degree. So that means, so therefore 0 degree Fahrenheit, so 0 degree Fahrenheit you got in Celsius how much? Minus 160 by 9 degree Celsius. So this is your answer. It is very simple. So they have given in Fahrenheit, you take, supposing it is 10 degrees Celsius, so you take C is 10 degree. Or they have given 32 degree Fahrenheit, then you take F equals to 32 degree. So like this you do, and just put that value in that given equation. The last question of this, that is the question number 85. So is there a temperature? Is there a temperature which is numerically the same in both Celsius and Fahrenheit? If so, if yes, find it. If yes, find it. In this question, the hint you will get in the last. There is one hint if yes. So though they have put this question, is there a temperature which is numerically the same in both the Celsius and in Fahrenheit? That means if there is a particular temperature that will be same in both the Celsius scale as well as in the Fahrenheit scale. If yes, if there is, find it out. So here that means they have given the question in the affirmative. That means yes, there is. So that means there is a temperature that will be same in both the Celsius as well as in the Fahrenheit. We will take that same scale, that means for the Celsius as well as for the Fahrenheit, let it be taken as x. If yes, find it. So they have given in the affirmative sense. That means there is. So there is. So that is why there is a temperature. So that will be same in both the Celsius as well as in the Fahrenheit. So now let C equals to F, Celsius equals to Fahrenheit equals to x degree. Now the given equation. So it is given F equals to 9 by 5 C plus 32. So this one is given in the book. So in the question it is given equation. Now here, so they have said, is there a temperature which is numerically the same in both the Celsius and in Fahrenheit? So is there is a temperature that will be same in both the Celsius, in both Celsius as well as in Fahrenheit? Yes. If yes, find it. So they have given one answer, yes. So the temperature, let us take as x degree. That will be same for x degree Celsius, x degree Fahrenheit. Now you will find x. So here now F is x. So in place of x, F you take x. 9 by 5, then in place of C you take x. Because C and F equals to x degree plus 30. Now you bring this x this side. So x minus 9 by 5x equals to 32. So this was plus, there is plus, so you brought it to the left side minus. So minus 9 by 5x equals to 32. Now you take LCM, so it will be 5. So 5x minus 9x equals to 32. So here minus 4x. Here the LCM is 5. LCM you took as 5. 1 5s are 5 into x 5x. 5 1s are 1 into 9x 9x. So equals to 32 into 5. 32 into 5. So minus 4x. 5x minus 9x minus 4x equals to 32 into 5. So here x equals to 32 into 5 divided by minus 4. So 4 So you got 40 by minus 1. So there is 1. That means you have got minus 40 degree. So that means x is minus 40 degree, which means minus 40 degree Celsius equals to minus 40 degree Fahrenheit. That is the only temperature that is numerically same in both the Celsius as well as in Fahrenheit. So therefore minus 40 degree Celsius equals to minus 40 degree Fahrenheit. This is your answer. Now the graphical part I will be just showing you, but the graph you will be doing it because it is not possible to do it here. So you take the graph page and then you do it. So in the question they have given that draw the graph of the equation. So the equation was this: 9 is equal to 9 by 5 c plus 32. So this was the equation. So now they have said that you have to draw the graph of this equation, taking the Celsius for means x-axis. Celsius you will take as x-axis, and the Fahrenheit for the means y-axis. This one you will take as y. Y-axis you will take it for the Fahrenheit. X-axis you will take for the Celsius. Now C means x and F means y. So now you are going to plot 3 points, and then by joining these points you will get the required graph. This is your 1. So 8 1. So given Celsius equals to x-axis and Fahrenheit is equal to y-axis. Now here F, that is the Fahrenheit, you will take as y. Celsius you will take as x. So now here F you will take as y. So y equals to 9 by 5. C, Celsius, you will take as x plus 32. So it is given in the equation that taking the Celsius for the x-axis, Fahrenheit for the y-axis. So that is why y-axis you have taken as F, Fahrenheit. X-axis you took for Celsius. So see. Now you take 3 points. Now you take 3 different points. Say it is x, it is y. So you choose the number of x so that will be divisible by 5. So because if it is divisible by 5, then by adding or by doing subtraction according to the value of x, if it is plus or minus, so then you will get the corresponding value of y. Supposing x is 0. Say x equals to 0. So y equals to 9 by 5 into x. X into 0. So 0 plus 32. So now 0 into 9 by 5 you will get 0 plus 32. So you will got 32. So your y is 32. Now you take a number that will be divisible by 5, so that 5 will easily divide. If x equals to 5, so then y equals to 9 by 5 into x is 5. So 5 plus 32. So you cancel 5. So you will get 9 plus, so 9 into 1, 9 plus 32. You will get 41. So here y is 41, x is 5. X is 5. Now say you take minus 5. You can take 10 because 10 is divisible by 5. Either minus 10, plus 10, 15, minus 15. All these are divisible by 5. So here y equals to 9 by 5 into x. So you get 2x is minus 5. Minus 5. So in place of x plus 32. So plus 32. So you cancel this 5. You will get plus into minus, it will be minus 9 plus 32. You will get 23. So it will be 23. So y is 23 and here it is minus 5. So all these points you are going to put it. So you will need graph. So only on the graph is you can plot these points. You can take the scale like every 10 small square you can take as 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 in this way because your highest is 41. So if you take 2, 4, 6, 8, then the highest will be 42. Or you can take 5 small square, 5 unit. That means per small square you will take as 1 unit. Now, coming to the last exercise, exercise 4.4, these are very simple sums. So, here, question number 1, give the geometric representation of y equals to 3 as an equation number 1 in one variable, number 2 in two variables. Now just you listen attentively. Here geometric always you take as the graphical. Geometric means graphical. So it is graphical. Okay, geometric or graphical representation of y equals 3 as an equation in one variable. So you see here they have given one variable and here they have given two variables. Now you note it nicely. If they have given in one variable, that is to represent y equals to 3, and the question is to represent in one variable, that is a single variable, either x or y. That time you will draw the number line only. As you just draw the number line, you have drawn in class 6, 7, 8, 5 also you have drawn. So that same thing you will be drawing here also when they will give in one variable. So now if there is a single variable, you will be just representing this y equals to 3 in the number line, and if they have given in two variables, that means containing x and y, that time you will be drawing the Cartesian plane. That is the difference. So in one variable you will be just drawing the number line. Maybe they will give for x or y, but if they have given to show it graphically or the geometrically, that time if they have given in one variable of this type, then you are going to represent any equation of this type, y equals to 3, x equals to 5, x equals to minus 5, anything. Say they have given in single variable, that is in one variable, you are going to draw the number line. But in the case of two variables, you are going to draw the Cartesian plane representing x and y. So now in 1. So geometric or graphical. Geometric or graphical representation of y equals to 3 in one variable. So this is 1. So you just draw the number line with scale, and on both sides arrows must be there, arrow. Then in the middle you take the 0, the same right of 0. So it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Equals the distance between the integers has to be equal gaps. So these gaps need to be uniform. It should be same. Now they have given y is 3. So this is 3. That means this point represents y is equal to 3. So in one variable, so you have represented this variable, that is 3, y equals to 3 in a single variable. That is why you will represent that number in the number line only. So this is your first one. Supposing they have given here, say for this same one, they have given x equals to -2. That time you take, so this is the one, so x is -2, so you put x equals to -2 complete. So now coming to the second one, into variables. So here the variables are 2. That means now the Cartesian plane will come. Now it is 2. Number 2. Into variables. So here that means you are going to write the equation in the standard form. So ax plus by plus c equals to 0. So here there is no x, there is y, and this is the constant. So as there is no x, you will be taking 0 into x. So 0. 0 into x, 0. Because there is no x. So nil. 0 into x means 0. That means there is no x. So plus y. So plus y. Bring this 3 left side. Take this 3 to the left side. So plus 3 becomes -3 equals to 0. So this is into variables. So now what you will do is, supposing y is 3, now you are to do into variables. So the graph of the equation y equals to k, so k is any integer. So now say that will be a straight line that will be parallel to the x-axis. Let us see. Supposing I am just explaining it, but we will be doing it directly. So it is xy. Here y is 3, but the variable is 2. Variable is 2. So there is I to x, y, but they have given only for y. So y is fixed. Y value cannot change. So y is 3. So all this y will be 3. All this y is 3. And x, you can take any kind of integers. You can take positive, negative, including 0. So say it is, say 1, 2, 3, or 0, -1, -2, or 0, 1, -1, anything you take. So, but this y is fixed. Y is only 3. Now you draw this line, you will get a line that will be parallel to the x-axis. So let us just draw it. So it is x dash, y dash. So it is origin. So you will take the graph and draw. Now here the y is 3. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4. So it is 4, it is 3, it is 2, 1. Then here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1, 2, 3. This will be negative. x is 1, y is 3. X is 1, y is 3. So this is the x axis, y axis. So x is 1, y is 3. X is 2, y is 3. X is 3, y is 3. X is 3, y is 3. Now you join this line, all these points, you will get a straight line that will be parallel to the x axis. So you just keep in mind, if that is in two variables and they are given only for a single equation, say like x equals to -2, x equals to 5, y equals to 3, y equals to -2.5, anything, that time you will, if you draw the graph, if they are given for y, that will be parallel to the x axis, and if they are given for x, that will be parallel to the y axis. So it will be like this only. Let us do the last one. So this is your answer for this second one. So you will be doing this one, but these points you may take, may not take, because if you have got that knowledge that graph of the equation y equals to k is a straight line parallel to the x axis. So without taking these points you can do it, but this one, so here if you take, then here you will write it is 1 comma 3, this point is 2 comma 3, and this point is 3 comma 3, and this equation is 0 into x plus y minus 3 equals to 0. Question number 2. So here, twice x plus 9 0 as an equation in one variable into variables. So the same equation. So you are to draw the graphical. So graphically you are to represent twice x plus 9 equals to 0 in one variable and in two variables. So the same thing here, now they have given for x. So first will be the single variable. That means you are going to locate that point on the number line, and they have given here two variables, so you will be drawing the Cartesian plane like this, and then since they have given for x, now the graph you draw, that will be parallel along the means y axis. Let us take solution to number 1. So it is 1 of twice x plus 9 is equal to 0 in one variable. In one variable. So this one. So twice x plus 9 is equal to 0. So here, so you solve it, minus 9. So you took it that side. So x equals to minus 9 divided by 2. So you got minus 4.5. That means x is minus 4.5. Now you draw the number line. Because your variable is one variable, so you are going to draw it on the number line. So number line, so it is 0. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then here minus 1, minus 2. So minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 5. So now here the x is minus 4.5. So minus 4.5 is, that means left of 0. So this side, these are all negative. So now to locate minus 4.5, because you are doing it graphically in one variable, so that is why you are going to represent it on the number line. So now minus 4.5. So between minus 4 and minus, the middle will be always minus 4.5, because 0.5 you will get. So that is why minus 4.5. So exactly between minus 4 and minus 5, the middle point is minus 4.5. Middle, the exact the midpoint of minus 4 and minus 5, that will be minus 4.5. This is your answer. Then coming to the two variables. Into variables. So now here the variable is 2. So that means you are going to take the partition 3. You are going to express it in the form ax plus by plus c equals to 0. So now twice x, so they have given twice x, so that means ax, so there is no y. So you will write plus 0 into y. So ax plus by, 0 into y, 0. So plus c, this is constant. So c equals to 0, Now graphically, if you do it, so now you just doing the side and then you just get it the x. So this is in two variables. You are going to write it this. But now you will solve it. So you solve it, twice x equals to minus 9. So x equals to minus 9 divided by 2. So you have got minus 4.5. So x you got minus 4.5. So that means if you do it graphically now, supposing here x is, here all the values of x will be minus 4.5, but y you can take any value as you like, but x is fixed, so x will be always minus 4.5, minus 4.5, because x is given as minus 4.5. So all the values of x will be minus 4.5, but y the values you can take your own. Say like it is 1, 2, 3. You can take any integers. It can be 0, minus 1, 2, 6, 5, minus 5, minus 4, or 4. Any numbers you, but this value is fixed. Now here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and here minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. Then here 1, 2, 3, 4. So it will be minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. It will go this way. So x dash y dash, this is the origin. Now, as I told you that the graph of the equation now, x equals to minus 4.5. So now by plotting these points, that when x is given minus 4.5 and you are going to represent it graphically into variables, then you need the Cartesian plane, but in a single variable, either that is in x or y, but in one variable, that time you will draw the number line only. So now here there is in two variables, so you need both the x's. So here x is minus 4.5. So between minus 4 and minus, the middle is minus 4.5. So if it is minus 4.5, y is 1. So here y is 1. Say. So it is between is 1. And if there is minus 4.5, there is 2. So minus 4.5 is 2. So it is 2. Y is 6. So it is 2. And if it is minus 4.5, y is 3. Say y is 3. Then you join all these points. Then you join all these points, and then you will see you will get a straight line that will be parallel to the y-axis. So now here 1 point, 2 point, 3 point. So it is minus 4.5 comma 3, minus 4.5 comma 2, minus 4.5 comma 3, like this. So this is your answer. You may take these points or you may not take. One who has got the knowledge that this will be parallel to this, so they can do it directly. Or you take the points and you draw it. So you can do it that way also. So it is very simple. I have shown you. So now let me tell you at last. If you are going to represent it geometrically or graphically, that's the same meaning. In one variable, that time you are going to draw the number line, and if there is in two variables, then you are going to draw the Cartesian plane. That much only. So with this, we have come to the end of this chapter. So you go through all the questions that I have given in the PDF file. You will need practice also, and for your second chapter, you will need all the identities. Go through all of them. So thank you.